Second question of exercise 7.1. In this question, in relation for quadrilateral ABCD are given. It is given that in quadrilateral ABCD, side AD and BC are equal. So this side AD is equals to side BC of quadrilateral. Angle DAB and angle CAB are also equal. Angle DAB, so this complete angle is equals to angle CBA, yani this complete angle. These two angles are equal. So in first part we have to show that triangle ABD, this triangle ABD, I have to prove that this triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Okay, so this part of the triangle and this triangle are congruent. I have to prove these two triangles congruent. Second, I have to find relation for BD and AC. So BD and AC are the corresponding parts of both the triangles, so I can clearly easily prove. So once that they are equal, once I prove that triangle ABD and ABC are congruent, and in third part we have to prove that angle ABD and angle BAC are equal. Angle ABD and angle BAC, again I can prove it easily by CPCT because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. That's why it will be easy for me to prove that triangles the last two results. Okay, so in first part I have to prove that triangle ABD and ABAC are congruent. So first we will write given data. If I talk about given data, first relation was given for side. It was given that AD and BC are equal. And the second relation is given for angle DAB. It is equals to angle CBA. DAB this complete angle and CBA this complete angle B. They are also equal. Okay. So what we have to prove here, in first part we have to prove that triangle ABD and BAC are congruent. In second part we have to show that BD is equals to AC. And in third part we have to find that angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So let's start the question. So those two triangles which I have to prove, I will take those two triangles only. First triangle is ABD. Okay, means this triangle, this portion of the triangle I will take ABD. In triangle ABD and triangle BAC. So the relation is side AD is equals to side BC. This side AD and this side BC. AD and BC are equal. Second relation is given for angle A and B. It is given that angle. The logic is it is given. Second given data was for angle DAB and angle CBA. DAB is equal to angle CBA. So angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Again same logic, it is given in question. And the third relation that is common in the data is about this side AB. The side AB is common in both the triangles. AB side is coming in triangle ABD as well as this side AB is coming in triangle ABC. So we can say side AB is equals to BA. Reason being is common. Side AB is common, that's why we can say this relation. Now we can apply congruency. We got three relations and we can say name of the, we can write name of congruency. It is one angle between two sides. So name of congruency is SAS congruency. So by SAS congruency, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC. Now for second and third part, it is asked that prove that BD and AC are equal. You can see BD and AC will be corresponding parts of both the triangles. And third relation that we have to find is angle ABD and BAC are equal. So angle ABD and BAC, again they are corresponding parts of the triangle, they are corresponding angles of the triangle. So we got this first relation, and for by second and third I can write by CPCT, side BD is equals to AC, and other relation is for angle ABD also. Angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. So this was question number 2. Let's come to third question. Third question is AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to the line segment AB. This is line segment AB. AD and BC are perpendiculars on this line segment AB. So they are perpendicular, means these two angles are 90 degree. Okay. AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to the side. Okay, it is also given that AD and BC are equal. They are equal perpendiculars. Perpendicular means they will make angle of 90 degree and they are equal. That's why length of AD and length of BC are equal. So they are equal perpendiculars to line segment AB. Okay, we have to show that CD bisects a line segment AB. So we have to tell that this line segment CD bisects side AB. Bisect means it divides AB line segment into two equal parts. So basically we have to prove here that this side BO is equals to side AO of the triangle. So to prove that these two sides means BO and AO equal, we have to prove the triangle OBC. We have to give relation for triangle OBC and triangle OAD. We have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Once we prove that triangles are congruent by CPCT, we can easily conclude that side OA and OB are equal, and this we have to prove here in this question. So given data, given data is that AD and BC are equal. AD and BC are equal, and other relation is given that these are perpendicular. So they are perpendicular means they are making angle of 90 degree. So we can say angle OBC is equals to angle OAD equals to 90 degree. Reason being, it is given in question that these are perpendiculars on OB and AD and BC are perpendiculars on AB. AD and BC. AD and BC are perpendicular on line segment AB. So they are perpendicular means they will make angle of 90 degree with side AB. So we got two given information, and what we have to prove here that CD bisects line segment AB. So to prove in this data we can write a mathematical statement. It is asked that CD bisects AB. That means if I prove that OA and OB are equal, I'll get the relation. So we can write OA equals to OB. I have to prove here. Now we'll take triangle OBC and triangle OAD. In triangle OBC and triangle OAD, first side this one AD and BC are equal, so we can say BC is equals to AD. It is given. Second is about these angles. Angle at B is 90, angle at A is also 90 degree. So we can say angle OBC is equals to angle OAD. Again, they are equal. It is already written that their measurement is 90 degrees, so they are equal. Third relation we have to find to prove congruency. And the third relation we can easily find. You can see that there are two straight lines, they are intersecting each other. So in this case, vertically opposite angles are equal. That's why angle this AOD and angle COB are equal. So they are vertically opposite angles and their measurement is also same. So we can say angle OCB, sorry, angle COB, yeah, angle BOC is equals to angle AOD, and they are vertically opposite angles. So we got three relations. Now we can apply congruency, and here name of congruency will be angle side. So by angle side congruency, triangle OBC congruent to triangle OAD, and we know that corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. That's why side OB and side OA are equal. So by CPCT, OB is equal to OA. So hence we can conclude that CD bisects AB. So CD bisects line segment AB.